let's go, street glide. That's what I'm talking about. Road glide, what?
Back down like my mule, roads clear, tank full, kick back with my feet up. I twist back and I speed up. Left lane, pipes full, move fast when it's got more. Clear skies. Thank you, Lord, I'm gliding. First day full riding. 500 in front of me and I'm right here where I wanna be. It's a beautiful day and I thank God for it all. I'm traveling tall.
We about to ride,
It's that time of year again. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 4. If you missed the first one, the second one, and the third one, do not miss the fourth one. It's going to be bigger and better this year. With rides leaving Friday and Saturday from Bootlegger Harley-Davidson.
Riding Harleys all over the place, that's what we do.
Starting at 9 a.m. each day. Kickstands up at 10:30. Come on out to Bootlegger Harley-Davidson to meet your favorite content creator. There will be vendors and merchandise for sale. The ride is free, but Friday night we're going to be having a banquet with good food, special guests, and giveaways. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when tickets become available. We have limited seating, and last year they sold out quickly. And to book your stay at the host hotel, make sure you click the link in the description below. You like motorcycles? You like to ride? You like to meet good people? Then this event's for you. Everyone is welcome, but ride responsible and ride at your own risk. June 7th and 8th, 2024, Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 4. You're invited, and share this post with your friends. I hope to see you there. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
It is a beautiful day today. You see the street glide sitting right here. This is my first ride back in Tennessee on the new build. 177 horsepower, 153 foot-pounds of torque, Zippers Performance build. With lightweight wheels, my new Burns exhaust, 74mm throttle body, Olin suspension, 200mm chain drive. It's built. So let's ride. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that's what I'm talking about. We ain't gonna ride through there like that, but that thing can come out the hole with that drag hookup. Guys, this might be your first time hearing the bike on a ride. Well, it should be your first time hearing the bike on a ride. This exhaust sounds fantastic. Oh man, I should have let that car go a little bit so I can go through here at a more spirited pace. You know what I mean? Lean that thing over. That's not bad. Wrong gear. Not bad. Yep, we're gonna let them cars go on. Give us a little bit of cushion. Let's go. Yeah, that thing will go. It'll move. It sure will. Goodness gracious, that thing will move. Woo, boy! Come on, baby. Let's go, street glide. That's what I'm talking about. Road glide, what? It's been a while. It's been a while. Okay, let me slow down. I'm going down a curve. Slow down a little bit. It's been a while. Okay, you've earned your spot. You proved your point. I thought we might see some bikes out here today. Early spring. It ain't even spring. It's still winter time in East Tennessee. Back from Daytona. Before I went to Daytona, I was a day and a half home. I was at Zippers getting this bike built. This thing is a monster, an absolute monster. This exhaust, whew, it sounds like a monster. It just pounds the ground right beside you. No kidding. And I'd have no complaints about the get into this curve. Come on, don't catch up on them. I have no complaints about that 200 so far. Other curve, back to it. And the new brakes that I have on here, the Galfer rotors, those things do exactly what they're supposed to do. Red light, I don't remember a red light being here. They stop, quick. So guys, to ride 177 horsepower Harley-Davidson and still be able to take it is not just for, yeah, I built it for the drag strip, but still to be able to take it and ride through these Tennessee curvy roads, I love it. And man, going down from that from that 21 18 setup to a 19 17 setup, I recommend that. Hold on, I recommend that if you are doing performance stuff. I was talking to a guy on the phone the other day, and we were talking about performance. He has big bars on his bike. He has the pullback bars. He has 21. He has 18 and all that stuff. And he's getting some motor work done to his bike. And I told him, I said, listen, I had all that too. I never had the pullback bars, but I said I had all that on my bike. I had the lowers, had the 21 and the 18. But I said, it was kind of fighting against itself. You know what I mean? Like, you're trying to make a performance bike, but then you take and put all these non-performance things on there just for looks. So when I decided that playtime was over, it's time to go full speed ahead on old Zulu here. That 2118 came off, those lowers came off, that 190 tire, or maybe even 180 tire came off, got that 200 on the back. I've been chain drive, so had to get that Shinko drag hookup. Then I'll talk more about it in a video. The ultra cool oil cooler, I'm gonna make a video about that by itself. Had to upgrade the brakes and got my new Traveling Tall Burns Edition exhaust. Playtime is over. You know what I mean? All that stuff, that shiny, flashy stuff, yeah, it looked good. I love the way my Street Glide used to look, but I love the way my Street Glide looks now and the way it performs. It looks mean. It looks fast. It looks fast just sitting still on the kickstand. I haven't had an opportunity to roll into it and make a pass, like a legit pass at a drag track yet. But I did. I was making some test hits at a place, and I shortened my 0 to 60 time. I'm not going to tell you the first part, by 0.81. Not because, you know, I'm trying a new method on launching the bike, and the old method was not working. And the cool thing is, with zippers, they did something new to the bike, where they actually took it with the new cam and made it a little softer on the bottom end and give it a lot more power on the top end. So I'm not just spinning the tires like I was with the old build, just constantly spinning the tires. So that helped, but also trying a new way of launching it, not new to everybody else. It's just I'm learning how to launch it. I really shaved. I mean, that's almost a second. Last year at the track, I was doing, I'm not going to tell you exactly, it was pretty embarrassing. I was doing 7s, you know, and if I'm true, if I can really get it this way and launch it the way that I did the other day, oh, I'm hitting the 6s. I'm hitting the 6s, and when we talking about quarter mile, I'm hitting the 10s. That's the plan. Alright guys, so we're about to continue on our way home, but I just want to show you this bike one more time. I'm so impressed with this thing. Alright guys, we're just going to take this little back road here. Nice East Tennessee roads. I love it. I love it here. The sound of this thing is, oh my goodness, I just love hearing it. It makes you want to go fast. But I'm not going to go fast. It really makes you want to go fast though. Some bicycle riders right there, I see it. Come on. Boy, the torque of this thing. Another bike rider. Okay. So we're going under the interstate. It's a big curve right here. Laying it over. Let's use those brakes to slow us down a little bit. 15-mile-per-hour curve up here. Slow it down. Gravel in the curve too. I don't have a problem with this 200 tire. A 190 wouldn't fight so hard against you though, you know what I mean? Now this is a turn right here, I remember this. There's usually gravel out there, that's why I slowed down a lot. The more narrow the tire is, the easier it is to go around turn, in my opinion. Like the bike that really just wants to fall into the turn is that Road King that I have. You know, that 05, they had the really narrow tire on the back. It's like 3.5. It handles great. Come on now. Come on now. But it's time to scuff this tire in too. I'm glad I had a chance to take this little ride, because I haven't had the chance to lean this thing over, because the only time I rode it was down there in Daytona. And we know they have no Interstate 75 right there. We know they have no turns in Daytona. Everything is straight. So I had some huge chicken strips on the side of the tire. If you don't have chicken strips, if you don't know what chicken strips are, I'm not talking about the food. Then more than likely you got some on your tires. Woo! For sale by owner. Cool. Like to have some land out here like this. 25 miles per hour. These brakes are really doing their job. Seriously, there we go. Overshoot this turn, you end up into the pond down there. Lean it, lean it. More bike riders. So, who said you can't ride a 177 horsepower bike? I know that a lot of people will say that you can build them up so big that you can't ride them. I haven't found that yet. The last build that I had, when I was making 163, I took that on a road trip. Got over 200 miles to the gallon. 200 miles to the tank. Tennessee to the Outer Banks. Now I wouldn't take this one on no road trip like that. because this bike is built for the track, but there's nothing that Zipper's Performance makes that you can't ride. Daily if you want to. The thing is, woohoo, these twisties are great. Gear down. Okay, let's get into this curve right here. Watch out for those bicycle riders. There we go. Can't get too hot coming out that corner, but that back tire will spin, even though it has that hookup. I don't know how the tread is on the sidewall of it. For a lot of you, you're still dealing with winter weather. So, just a little bit of ride therapy for you, wind therapy. Left. Yeah, we go left. Going left. 30 miles per hour. Gear down. You know, when you're riding in the woods like this, the sun's coming through, the sun's hiding behind the trees. It's like a strobe effect, and it messes with your eyes. So it's kind of hard to judge sometimes like that. Oh man, when I get on the Foothills Parkway, I got to take it to the Foothills Parkway at least once. At least once. There's a deer. Big old deer. Can you see that deer down there? Probably couldn't see him but big old deer. There's another deer. Okay. Just hope there's none here. And there's no plan of escape. If a deer was to run out, you're just, you know, either going in that lane or going in a ditch. Ain't nothing you can do. Guys, I can't wait till y'all come down to Run to the Hills. We're going to take some of these roads. I'm always taking the roads like to the Foothills Parkway or whatever. We're going to take some of these roads that ain't even on the map. I mean, they're on the map, but they're not famous. We're going to take some of the roads that I like to ride, you know? So, Lord willing, this year, Run to the Hills, I'm going to incorporate some of these types of roads. Getting out, seeing Tennessee, cutting through these little windy mountain roads. I love it. All right, guys, you know what? I'm going to end this video here. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. I got something really cool coming to the channel soon. Nobody's going to expect this, right? Something really cool is coming to the channel soon. All right? So hit the notification bell to be notified, because you're going to want to see it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.